Hi, this is Kumar Kaushal with Trading with Kumar, and I wanted to explain to you a trade that I did on AUDCHF. I'm going to explain it step by step, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to trade like a professional with the tips and tricks that I'm going to be showing you as we go through this video. So let's get into it. Okay, so as with all of my trades, remember that we want to do top-down analysis. We want to know exactly what's going on across all the time frames, so we have as many traders looking at this trade as possible. We're trying to stack that edge in your favor. So we will start at the top. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. And at this point here, what I was looking at was what retracement is this at, and it was exactly at a 786. So that is what got me interested. So then we look at the 15-minute, and you can see that's where that 786 is. Notice how the regression line here, we had price bouncing off it and then started to hit it and go smoothly alongside it before breaking down. Almost like it's testing the waters and trying to penetrate it, and then boom, there's that breakdown. What you also get here is a very nice left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So we have a very nice head and shoulders pattern there, nicely aligning at this level. But what else do we have going on? Well, let's go into the 5-minute and let's have a look. I'm going to just get rid of this for the time being, and also the head and shoulders. What we also have at this point is a 618 retracement right here. So what we had here was an A, B, C, D, up to a 618, which is a Gartley pattern. And I talk more about Gartley patterns in my Trade to Success Academy course. But at this point here, we had quite a lot going on then. We had the 618 retracement, we had the Gartley pattern, we had the 786 retracement on the higher time frame right up here. So let's delve down even lower and see what we get. So on the left hand side, I'll put the 15-minute chart, so you can see the big head and shoulders there. And on the right hand side, we've got the 2-minute chart. So this point here is this point right here. Notice how we have price breaking through the regression line, bouncing off it, breaking down, and then bouncing off it underneath it. Not being able to really penetrate, with just a wick to the upside and an immediate reversal. What you also have is another head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So we had a head and shoulders pattern within another head and shoulders pattern that was happening right at the right shoulder of the larger head and shoulders. Notice also how the regression line on the 2-minute was a nice retest for price, which comes in handy with trade management. Now, I teach many different ways of managing your trade in Trade to Success Academy, but I wanted to point out here that we also had something here which I call the MTF270X. It's one of our trading strategies here at Trade to Success Academy, one of the most powerful setups that I've ever seen. And so along with that mini head and shoulders pattern here, we had a really nice MTF270X entry as well. And so an easy way to trail with this is with the regression line, with our stop currently above here. And let's see what we get. Currently at around about 6-1 in risk reward. But we had all of that going on. So let's do a quick recap. we had on the 4 hour, we had the 786 right at the top here, a 786 Fibonacci retracement. We had a 618 Gartley right here on the 15 minute or the 5 minute. We also had a trend line here that was broken at this point as well. We had our head and shoulders pattern right here. We then had a mini head and shoulders pattern on the 2 minute right before the break of the trend line. And on the 2 minute, we also had a really nice interaction of the regression line, which was a perfect alignment for our entry, where we also had an MTF270X entry as well. Currently at 6-1 in risk reward, and let's see what we get out of this. Now, if you like the way I explain this, it would be great if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification icon so you can get notified every time I put out a new video. Also, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think, open up a conversation with me, and we can discuss this trade in greater detail. If you liked what I showed you in this video, then just drop a comment down below. And you can also learn more about the way I trade by clicking the link in the description of this video. Good trading, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.